Hey, what's up, Ondergrond? This is Lexi with your gig guide. First things first, folks, a very hearty congratulations to our very own Agro for playing the infamous Wacken Festival in Germany later this year, jamming with amazing international acts like Ministry, The Black Dahlia Murder and Electric Wizard. Volgende het ons MK Ondergrond se debut show die 23ste Maart by Arcade Empire in Pretoria. Vang awesome bands soos Not My Dog, The Narrow, Sessling and Only When It Rains. By Cool Runnings in Benoni op die 28ste Maart, you can see The Cavalier and Pistol Whip 45, bang! Haggis and Bong's album launch tour will unfortunately be wrapping up on the 29th of March at Aardklaas in Stallies and on the 31st of March at Zulu Bar in Cape Town. En op die 31ste Maart by Sundowners in Joburg, Climate Control, One Day Sky in Red Helen. Op die 31ste Maart speel Junkyard Lipstick by Band Rock Lounge in Kaapstad. Unfortunately, no gigs in Secunda. And that was that, folks. Lexi out.